there any girl in this world, someone untouched by the noise and smoke, who still believes in gentle hope, who never chased the burning lights, nor lost herself in endless nights, a quiet heart beneath the sky, with honest tears she never hides. Tell me, does she still remain somewhere beyond the restless rain, somewhere breathing softly now? She walks alone through fields of wisdom, moonlight trembling on her face. And if she exists, oh, if she exists, maybe she whispered words of hope. She's the girl with a crown of beauty, a heart like morning dew, untouched truly, hard to find, not easy to find, a rare ruby glowing through the dark of time, a pure heart, a rare flame, still dancing softly through the rain. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Look at the world today, just look how fast desire rewrites the books. They chase the gold and call it life, wearing loudness dressed as pride. Luxury lights flood every street, yet lonely hearts still cannot sleep. And somewhere innocence grows weak, beneath the noise nobody speaks. They call it freedom, modern society. Still I believe there's someone rare, a gentle heart untouched somewhere, not bought by fame, not sold by gold, a quiet heart with warmth untold. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Her silence speaks what words can't see, hard to find, not easy to find, a breath of gold in a world gone blind. Oh, rare ruby, radiant flame, still untouched by the hollow game. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Softly say my life, my choice, while drifting farther every day, lost in a world of fleeting fire, drowning slowly in desire. But purity fades where noise wears crowns, and blinded hearts still wander down, searching for pleasure they cannot hold, inside a world that's growing cold. She's the girl with a crown of beauty. Her silence speaks what words can't see, hard to find, not easy to find, a breath of gold in a world gone blind. Oh, rare ruby, radiant flame, still untouched by the hollow game. The girl with a crown of beauty. If I could find a girl like that, it would feel like finding a heart of diamond, a rare gem hidden from the world's softest moonlight on a quiet stream. Hold each second carefully, like a fragile diamond inside my hands. And every breath beside her heart would feel like finally understanding what beauty truly means. And I would never, ever let her fade away. She's the girl with a crown of beauty.